Hi guys. I want to create a short video because my last ones, when I already had the Nest Hello installed, didn't go over very well. Essentially, I didn't teach anybody how to install this thing, and it was quite a useless video in that sense. So, if you don't have a doorbell chime and you want to hook this thing up, just direct power to use it as your doorbell and with your phone, this is the way to do it, and this is how you connect it. So I have an elk transformer. This is a elk TRG. I believe it's a 2444. I'll have to link you in the description. But in this case, I have it powered up already. Now I hooked up the two cables from the chime connector to the AC lines. Now I don't know if you need this or not. I've seen some conflicting articles, but in this case, it's better safe than sorry. And I didn't notice a difference with or without it. So here it is. There's two wires that are hooked up to the AC power supply. Goes through the connector out of there, and I hooked up some general wires, and that's going to the back of the Nest, and that's essentially using the connectors that it came with. Now, as you can tell, it's already powered up. It's using 24 volts AC, and here's how it works with the app. And I'll power up and I can see myself here. And we're in my garage. Now, since we're in my garage, my my connection here isn't great. But you can see, essentially, I'm able to power it up, and essentially that's how you power it up without a chime. And this is how I have it hooked up in my home. Now, I'm obviously not going to leave it like this. When I put it on my door, it's going to be different, but that's how I did it. Alright, thanks guys. Any questions, post them up. Please subscribe, because I am going to do an unboxing and an install video on this bad boy too.